Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Motors and this is my Jeep Next. Man, I've been hearing a lot about this Carvana thing and I just can't imagine buying a car like this. So as soon as they erected that here in Las Vegas, I had to find it. And it's really kind of weird because it's hidden back here. It's not on a regular street. So just wanted to stop by, check it out, see what you guys think. Because maybe this is the thing of the future, buying a car from a vending machine. So here we are at the new Carvana Tower, right here in Las Vegas. I've been watching them put this thing up for the last few months, and I just had to check it out once I saw that it was done. I just can't imagine that this is the new way to buy a car. Buying a car from a vending machine. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I was wondering how this thing worked, but I think I figured it out, that the cars will slide to the center of the tower and then be brought down to some sort of elevator, and then they can come out this door here. Pretty cool. So it looks like there's 4 wings or garage doors to this. So each car in the tower, whichever one you pick, slides to the center, gets lowered down, and then slides out to your specific garage door. I'm not sure how the delivery process works, but that looks like how they get the car out of the machine. All right, you guys, thanks for stopping by. I just had to find out how in the world you get a car out of that Carvana machine. And now I know, and you do too. Hey, click and subscribe, tell your friends about me, and we'll keep this thing moving. See you next time.